Hi friends, thank you so much for serving on this Sunday, May 7th, 2023. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this week's lesson and the follow-up activity. So really quickly, if you want to see a copy of the lesson plan, you can find it in Planning Center, but you can also feel free to pause the video. I'm going to show you quickly the front of the lesson plan. If you want to see it closely, pause it, and also the back of the lesson plan. So for this week, I am only going to go quickly into what our monthly memory verse is. We are switching to Genesis 2:3, and since it is the first Sunday of the month, we're going to be doing a deep dive into the context of our memory verse for this month. So you're going to practice the memory verse, focusing in on that first part when they write it on the board in the classrooms, and then when it is time to do our memory verse lesson, you're going to come back to it. But you're going to do all of Genesis 2:1-3. And as always, if you're in K-2, take your time to look up that verse so the kids can really focus on locating where it's at in the Bible. 3rd-5th, they can have time to read it to themselves quietly because they should be able to read it independently, but then also have it read out loud to them afterwards. And then there are some follow-up questions, and after doing that, you're going to say the memory verse together again as a group. And then following that, it is a very simple craft on the first Sunday of the month, which is just to do the sheet that has the Bible memory verse on it. So it is on both sides. It's two-sided. So this side is a print that is good for tracing. They can trace it with marker, with crayon, with pencil. And then on the back side, same thing, verse, but this time they can color it. They can do patterns, whatever they want. If they finish it early, they write out the verse themselves somewhere on the sheet. And that is it for our craft. And everything else is pretty much the same as usual. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I will be serving this Sunday, so if you need to go over anything about the lesson, I will be here to meet with you guys. Thank you so much for serving. We'll see you on Sunday.